The second question is, where is this mind, this perceiver, located? Is it inside or outside of the body? If outside, then exactly where? Is it in any particular object? If it is in the body, then exactly where? Does it pervade throughout the body, head, arms, legs, etc.? Or is it in a particular part, the head or torso, the upper part or the lower part, exactly where? In this way, we investigate until we become clear about the exact shape, location, and nature of this perceiving mind. Then, if we do not actually find any entity or location, we may conclude that mind is N1PTY. There are different ways in which something can be empty. It could simply be absent, in the sense that there is no mind. However, we have not totally disappeared, we still perceive. There is still some experience taking place, so you cannot say that mind is simply empty. Though this mind is empty, it is still able to experience. So what then is this emptiness of mind? Whether we discover that the perceiver is empty, cognizant, or devoid of any concreteness, etc., it is fine. We should simply become clear about how it is and be certain, not as a theory, but as an actual experience.